Now you can see it's actually got a few scuffs on the coin, which is a shame. Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got another unpackaging video for you. Let's get straight into it. Now this is actually going to be my final purchase of gold for 2023. Now I have actually just finished filming another video discussing my reasons why I've made this decision, and I will upload that within the next couple of days. But this will actually be my final purchase, like I just said, of 2023. Now this was actually purchased, as you can see, from Tavex. Now I hadn't actually heard of the company Tavex until Future Investment started doing videos on them. Now I know he's got a kind of a sponsorship deal with them where they send him items to unbox on his channel. And like I said, that was the first time I'd actually heard of the company. Now, the only reason I went with this company is for the sweets, because they have really nice looking sweets. No, the only reason I went with this company was because I started checking it out after Future Investments was posting his videos. And you know me, I'm a sucker for the 1 gram gold bars. I absolutely love stacking 1 gram gold bars. There's just something about them. In terms of my kind of opinion on them as investments, I think they are really liquid. I think they are going to be very, very good for the future. And when I say future, I'm talking to kind of 20 years from now, when gold, if it continues to rise like it has done over the last 20 years or so, 1 gram gold is going to do very, very well, because it's going to be kind of more affordable for people just starting out in precious metals. So I'm always a sucker for the 1 gram gold bars, and I thought I'll have a little look on Tavex to see if they have any 1 gram gold bars for sale. Now, they did. And their 1 gram gold bars are actually, so this presentation thing isn't going to fit very well on my setup. I have to zoom right out so you are going to see the light. But I just kind of wanted to show you this because I'm really impressed already. Now, Future Investments has done a few unboxings from this company, and they all come very, very nicely packaged, and as you just saw, with sweets and all the rest of it. And I thought maybe that's just because he's kind of a promoter of their company. They're going above and beyond in their packaging, but it appears that that's not the case, and they do generally really take care in their packaging. Now you can see we have a nice kind of folder, and we've got kind of some paperwork here, which I'll take out of the way and have a little look in case it's got my name on. Yes, it has got my name, but I'll cover my name up, and it basically is like a little thank you thing, which is pretty cool. And then it's also got my invoice here as well. So yeah, really nice little presentation folder, how it all fits in there. Let me just slot them back in. So that's really, really nice. And this is what I went for. I went for their own 1 gram gold bar. Now let's have a little look at it before I sing its praises, because this is actually one of the cheapest brand new 1 gram gold bars I've actually seen on the market for a long time. Now it's really cool. It's not in kind of the traditional assay card, if you like, how it kind of normally faces portrait. It's a landscape one, which is quite cool, and it feels more like a business card. So these are a bit thicker, the kind of regular ones. Let me just show you from another company so you can compare. They're kind of a bit thicker, whereas this is more kind of like your credit card. So that's actually quite cool, because you could literally slide this in your wallet and carry it around as like an emergency fund, if you like. Really, really cool. So let's have a little closer look at the actual bar. So 1 gram fine gold, 4/9 fine from Tavex. And like I said, it's really nice. It's flush in this kind of credit card type assay. It's got the weight on there, the fineness on there on the back, the Dar Metal Refiner, which is obviously a world-renowned mint, so you know it's good quality gold. It's also got like a kind of hologram logo over it there, which is really cool, and it's got a crown on the back. So really, really impressed with that actually. And like I said, this is one of the cheapest 1 gram gold bars around in terms of when you go brand new. Now I paid £55 for this bar, and the only way I've got close to paying similar amount for a 1 gram gold bar is by going second hand and buying kind of the loose bars, the ones that come from the Volcambi one where they snap off. So to get a brand new one from a dealer, all sealed, and obviously not taking the risks of going second hand either, to pay £55 is really nice price. Normally you're paying between £65 and £80, I'd say, for these 1 gram gold bars. They range between that sort of range. You're looking at between 65 and 80, round about the £70 mark as an average for these type of products. Now obviously that is way over the spot price for 1 gram gold in terms of spot price, but like I said, you're not buying them just for the weight content. You're buying them for the liquidity, how easy they are to shift. And like I said, in my opinion, I think these will continue to rise very nicely and be the kind of the starting point of people stack in the not too distant future. So yeah, really pleased with that. Thank you very much, Tavex, and thank you again, Future Investments, for introducing me to this company. It's nice to find a company that I hadn't heard of before that also has very competitive prices. Like I said, £55. I think I paid 60 in total, and that was for kind of signed for delivery, and it arrived literally the next day. So yeah, really cool presentation as well. And like I said, you've got the sweets and everything. So it just goes to show that they do go above and beyond for all their customers, not just their kind of promoters. So yeah, really chuffed with that. Really nice addition to my gold stack. And like I said, this is my final pickup of gold in 2023. And I have, like I said, I've done a video where I explain my reasons why, and I will release that in the next couple of days. So do keep a lookout for that, because I will go into more detail on why I won't be picking up any more precious metals in 2023. So before we wrap up this video, let me just showcase some of these 1 gram gold bars again, so you can appreciate their beauty, and it'll be very nice to add this into the stack. Really cool, really nice pieces of gold. I've always been a sucker for the 1 gram gold bar. Like I said, you do get more for your money the higher denominator you go for, but in terms of the wow factor and the collectability, there's so many different designs and things like that. I always continue to pick up the 1 grams in the future. Now, whilst I've got the gold out, I thought I'd also show you something that I don't think I've showcased on this channel before, and it's just a Proof Sovereign from the Royal Mint. This is an older year one. I thought I'd chuck it in the back of this video as a kind of like a bonus bit of content for those of you that like your proofs. And you can see it is a 2008 gold Proof Sovereign. Got the COA there as well. Really nice looking piece of gold. Now you can see it's actually got a few scuffs on the coin, which is a shame, and that is because this was gifted to me quite a few years ago, probably in 2008 to be fair. It was gifted to me by my uncle, who has now sadly passed away, but he gifted me this coin, and he also gifted me another couple of Proof Sovereigns as well. And that was at a point when I was younger. I didn't really understand the value of gold, and although I thought it kind of looked really cool and everything, I didn't really understand that with proof coins they have to be kept pristine. That's the whole point of a proof coin. You're paying the premium for the mirror finish and just the sheer beauty of the coin. Like I said, I didn't realize that, and I've obviously taken it out of the capsule. You can see it's got marks and fingerprints and things over it where I've kind of been playing around with it. Now, I don't doubt that this could probably clean up very nicely. I can't see any kind of deep scratches or anything. I think it's literally just where I've been holding the coin. But it is a shame, but these things happen, and that's what comes with learning. And like I said before, a mistake turns into a lesson if you learn from it. And I've definitely learned now that you do not take proof coins out of the capsules. But yeah, still really nice piece of gold. Like I said, I could get that cleaned up in the future and it still would be a very nice piece. So yeah, let me know what you think about that in the comments section, and as always, I hope you have a nice day. And also, just before we pack everything away, you can see I've just put everything back in there ready to go back into storage. I thought it's only right that I try one of these sweets, because I do want to see if Future Investments is right with the sound effects he makes when he's trying these sweets. He makes them sound like they're really nice, so I'm really interested to see. Yeah, they are actually quite nice. Not only a nice piece of gold to add to the stack, also some brownie points when I go downstairs in a minute and give these to my family. As always, thanks for watching.